When creating a new document within InDesign, we choose the New Document, Command N or Control N on a PC, and we get the New Document window. And a couple of important things to notice on this window are the number of pages, the start page, and our bleed and slug. So in this example, we want to create a double page spread. So we always want to make our number of pages equal to 2. And we want to make our start page an even page number. So that means it will start on the left-hand page or an even numbered page. So we're going to start, as an example, at 42. So we're going to use a letter size page. And you can see that my measurements are in millimeters. But at any time, I can adjust and actually use centimeters, points, inches, whatever it is I want to use. So as an example, I want to set my inside margins, and I want to set my top and bottom margins to 1/2 inch, but I want to set my inside and outside margins slightly different. So first things I'm going to do is actually deselect the chain, or I'm going to break that chain, so now I can set each one individually. So as an example, I'm going to use this is 0.375 inches. And now my inside margin, where the spine of the book is going to be, is 9.5 millimeters. And my outside margin, I'm going to do the same thing, 0.375 inches. And you can see it automatically converted to millimeters. Now, the final part of a document is our bleed. And this is important for print production. So what we're going to do is add in a 1/8 of an inch bleed. So we're just going to type that in, put in our inch mark, and you can see it will automatically convert over to millimeters. Now, we can preview this document, and we'll see our document has a red outline showing our bleed. It has the margins slightly bigger at the top and bottom and a little less at the side. And when we're happy with that, we can actually save this as a preset. So we go to here and we hit save, and we're going to call this my yearbook. Now at any time, I can actually go through, create a new document, pull down to my yearbook setting, and then just do a quick adjustment to any new page that I want to start. So if I want to do page 44 to 46, or I want to make this one 44 to 47, so I can make 4 pages. And now, if we scroll down, we'll see that we have 2 double page spreads. And that's as easy as it gets for making a double page spread document. Remember, if we want to just create a right-hand page or a odd page, just leave it at number of pages 1 and change your start page to the odd page. So, in this case, we will have a new document with 1 page only.